she knew that they were building some kind of military base up on the mesa where the old Los Alamos Boys Ranch School had been. And she didn't know really what they were doing up there, but it was wartime and it was going to be some kind of military laboratory. That's all she knew.
The Manhattan Project took place in a different era, even though it was only 60 years ago. It was a very different America. It was a very different mindset.
They did such a beautiful job on the layout of the community. People were relatively happy. It was a great place to raise kids. And they had neighborhood schools and neighborhood shopping centers.
Well, they opened, the people who were living here were given 30 days to get off their land because it was, and they didn't know exactly what was going on, but they knew it was an important, they were told it was an important war effort. And the rumors of what was going on here were rife.
When they began to hear the news of the atomic bomb on August 6th, they were shocked. They had no idea, and they were absolutely dumbfounded when President Truman, the very next day, announced that Hanford was part of this project.